how to record your happy weekend with a video. Pick 3 video clips and drag one of them onto the timeline. Go to the Effects panel and choose a multi-frame effect. Place it on the top layer, leaving space for the other 2 videos. Adjust the duration and position of the first video so it fits into the first frame. Next, drag the remaining 2 videos onto the timeline. Resize and position them to match the corresponding frames. Crop and trim everything to make sure the timing is consistent. Now head over to Elements and find some cool animated graphics. Resize and position them to fit your video. Add different animations to each clip to make the visuals more dynamic. You can also throw in some text, filters, or other effects to make your video even more fun. Once everything looks good, preview the final result and export it. If you have any more questions, check out moviemaker.minitool.com for more tips. We can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for watching.